It's Plush Tonight, showcasing the latest in professional spa treatments from Plush Medical Spa, Westgate Parkway, Dothan. With owner and medical director, Dr. Amanda Bell, board certified in internal medicine. Here's Dr. Bell with your host, Barbara Cannady.
Hello and welcome back to Plush Tonight. Hi, I'm Babs Cannady, and we're here again at Plush Medical Spa, located at 548 Westgate Parkway, Dothan, Alabama. Happy holidays, Dr. Amanda Bell.
Well, happy holidays to you, Babs.
I'm in my red.
You look very festive for
Well, thank you.
our holiday show.
Yes, and what do we have? What's going on today on the show?
Well, we're going to talk about all of the specials and sales that we have going on during November and December. And there's quite a few of them, actually, so we need to dedicate a whole show to it.
Yes, and this is a season for gift giving, and you have lots of gift certificates, which is awesome. It's easy to do. Just come in and get a gift certificate for that special one. So tell us what things you have going on.
Well, you're right about the gift certificates, and you can also get them online at plushmedspa.com if you don't have time to stop by and get one. But you can get them for a dollar amount, or for a day at the spa package, or for a massage, really for anything. And they can be spent as cash if the person you give them to would rather use them that way.
I know I'm going to get my daughter the Clarisonic.
Well, the Clarisonic is on special during November and December. It is the skin cleansing system that we use here. It was originally created by the people that came up with the Sonicare toothbrush. And it does vibrate like the Sonicare toothbrush does at about 300 times per second.
And how much is the price now?
Well, it's on sale, like I said, for $175.
Wow.
And
we saw that in Bloomingdale's. It was over $200.
We did. The one we saw at Bloomingdale's was over $200, and it wasn't the same version. We carry the Pro version, which has 4 speeds, and it comes in the 3 colors, the white, the gray, and the pink. But our version is a better version than that and less expensive. The normal retail on this Pro system is $225, so it's $50 off during November and December. But our regular price is below any competitors as well. The Pro systems are only sold by doctors and medical spas. The versions that you see at Bloomingdale's and Ulta are not the professional versions.
Oh,
and
really?
The versions that we carry accommodate the body brush head, which is a larger head, and here it's seen on the pink Clarisonic laying in front of me. Okay. It's the one that you can use all over your body and get the same great results that you get on your face. And basically, you're going to cleanse a heck of a lot better with the Clarisonic. It's not going to be too abrasive, even for the most sensitive skin types. And all of those products that you're spending so much money on are going to penetrate twice as well. So if you're spending a lot of money on expensive products, then you probably should invest in a Clarisonic to make them go much further than they normally would. So you're getting one of these for your daughter.
Yes.
And
the one for the face, so that would probably be that one, right?
Well, the face brush head is the one that most people can use without any problems. That's the normal head. Okay. But she's using the Cleansiderm system, or will be starting that, right?
Yes,
so I would suggest the pore cleansing head for her, and that's a more thorough cleanse, and normally acneic skin can tolerate it. So that's probably what I would recommend for her.
Plush Medical Spa on Westgate has amazing deals for the holidays. Now through December, get a $50 rebate on any Dysport wrinkle treatment. All Obagi skincare products are 15% off, and we have the Elastoderm Eye Cream holiday gift sets that come with a free full-size Obagi Elastalash for eyelash growth and a free travel case. Plush also now has Shellac, the new hybrid nail color, guaranteed to stay shiny and chip-free for at least 2 weeks. Call Plush Medical Spa at 702-6869 and see all of our specials at plushmedspa.com.
Dr. Bell, this looks like something different. What is this?
That's Xeomin. We're really excited to have Xeomin. It's brand new, at least in the cosmetics arena. The drug itself has been around for quite a while, but it just got cosmetic approval. It's a botulinum toxin type A, just like Botox, just like Dysport. I say just like because they are the same toxin. all three drugs have the same toxin, the same form of botulinum toxin, the type A version. They just have varying amounts of protein surrounding that toxin, and that's what makes each one a little bit different, and they can be called a different brand name. There are probably going to be new forms of botulinum toxin A coming on the market in the following years, but right now we just have those three for cosmetic use.
So how is Xeomin different from the other products? You have Dysport and Botox, correct? And this is the third one?
Correct. Botox, Dysport, and Xeomin are all used in the same way to eliminate wrinkles from the upper face, and they all do a great job. But Botox is the original. It's been around for a very long time, and it will always be in the exact form it was originally FDA approved in. And that form has a lot of protein surrounding the toxin that protects it and allows it to stay in an active form until it has a chance to act inside your muscle. That protein is what most people who develop a resistance to the Botox drug, that's what they're developing antibodies to. That protein, makes it possible for then people to require more of the drug down the line because they've developed a tolerance to it.
Right.
So when Dysport came out, we were very excited because it had much less protein and therefore theoretically much less likely to cause tolerance buildup, or even perhaps an allergic reaction.
Yes, I've used Botox and Dysport, and I like both of them. I guess I build up a tolerance or something, and you need to change up a little bit. So,
well, it's pretty rare to develop a tolerance, but certainly if it happens to you, you want a purer form to be able to use. And the Dysport, I'm sure you were very pleased with your results.
Oh yes,
I love Dysport, I do. And we have been using this Xeomin lately because Xeomin is pure botulinum toxin. It has no protein surrounding the toxin itself, so theoretically it's going to be much less likely to cause you to require more down the line and develop a resistance to it. It's also very reasonably priced right now because it is new to the cosmetic market, and we are one of the elite providers that has been chosen to try it out during these first few months of cosmetic use. And so we're able to offer it for about half the price of Botox, which means you can get rid of those frown lines between the brows
right before the parties
for only about $100.
Really?
Also, right now during this period, November, December, and through part of January, they're going to be giving away $50 gift cards with every Xeomin treatment. So you fill out a small thing online and enter your PIN, and they send you it's a Visa gift card, but it needs to be used for medical purposes. So you can use it here with us or at a doctor's office, your dentist, but it is a medical type Visa gift card.
Well, I definitely need to come in and make my appointment and get that done before the party
Well, you look
starts.
gorgeous. You're due. I can't tell that you're due for either one of those. But Dysport, the one that we used on you last, is also on rebate during November and December. It is a $50 rebate as they've offered frequently in the past. And it usually takes about a month to get that check in the mail, but they're really good about sending it to you. So a lot of choices when it comes to botulinum toxin, and it can be a little bit confusing, but you can always come in for a free consultation, and I'll talk with you about what areas you want to improve and what lines you want to get rid of and how much it might run you depending on which drug you pick.
You could probably, husbands or wives could probably give gift certificates to your loved ones for that. I mean, that's a great gift too, wouldn't it?
Well, I don't know how Grandma would feel about getting a Botox gift certificate, but perhaps you could give her one for a dollar amount and let her decide what she wants to use it on.
Yes, but it's great that they can come in free for a consultation.
That's true.
And Thermage is on sale, correct?
Thermage is on sale for November and December as well. It's pretty much introductory pricing. It's 15% off. Thermage Skin Tightening, as you know, Barbara, is radio frequency skin tightening that we do here at Plush that uses an energy source in a single treatment to tighten your skin and to cause you to form collagen over the next year, the healing period from that procedure. And so it's excellent for tightening the jawline and the little bit of loose skin that we tend to get in this area. It's great for the eyes. We can also do body treatments. And right now it's a great value.
And still, you can do it now because it doesn't make your face all red or anything like that. It's not like, you know, you have to stay away from the public for a couple of days or something like that.
No,
You
it's
can
not
still
like
go-
it's not like laser where you have a lot of skin coming off and you look like a burn victim. There's absolutely no downtime after thermage, so you can go right out and go to a Christmas party immediately after. I mean, there's nothing you can't do.
Excellent. That's
The
wonderful.
pricing right now is for the face and neck procedure, which is a single procedure. That's $1,600. The eyes alone are $900, but you can combine the two for $2,150, which is about $1,000 off the regular price for those separate procedures. And then a body procedure right now, either your tummy or your thighs, runs $1,900.
Dr. Bell, what can you do about these?
Your fingernails?
Yes.
We have new hybrid nail color here called shellac. It is brand new. We have the largest selection here in Dothan, and it's really exciting because it's guaranteed to last 2 full weeks at least with no chips and no nicks. I have my toes done in shellac color masquerade, and see how shiny they are? Isn't that amazing?
That is amazing.
They look freshly painted.
They
and
look like you just painted them.
okay, you're not going to believe this. This is 2 weeks old today.
2 weeks old.
And I expect it to last another week or two at least because toenails grow slower than fingernails.
Gift certificates from Plush Medical Spa in Dothan are the perfect gifts for everyone. Give your mom one of our Day at the Spa packages, or give your dad or boss the gift of a relaxing massage from one of our professional massage therapists, starting as low as $35. Purchase certificates online at plushmedspa.com and we'll mail them for you, or stop by the spa at 548 Westgate.
Plush Med Spa, the medical spa with more wow.
Well, Babs, you know Kelly Machan, and she's here
Yes.
doing some shellac on the fingernails here. And shellac is very different in that it requires UV curing between each step. It's part of the reason that it lasts as long as it does. There's a base coat, and then it's cured with UV light, followed by 2 separate color coats that are each cured by UV, and then the top coat is then cured by UV as well. The cool thing about it is that as soon as your hand comes out of that light, it's completely dry and ready to go. You can rub your hand through your hair, put it in
dry, then you won't get any problems.
No,
or any
no problems.
damage or anything.
You
to
can
it.
put your
That's
hands
great.
right into your purse immediately after getting your manicure and have no worries whatsoever of getting any kind of smudges or nicks or anything. And it's going to stay that wet, shiny, mirror looking for at least 2 weeks, probably longer. You'll probably have sufficient regrowth before you ever have any chips or nicks or anything like that. So you'll want to come in, and the removal process is more complicated than a regular fingernail polish, but it takes about 10 minutes, and we use the removal pads that are specifically made for shellac, and bing, bang, boom, you're ready to go for your next shellac color.
So I like to do mine in French. So if I get in a tanning bed, it's not going to discolor or anything. It keeps it from doing that, correct?
Right, it doesn't discolor at all. It doesn't soak up any pigments. It's going to stay looking exactly the same as it did on day one for the full time you have it on. It's wonderful. The basic application with no manicure or pedicure is $25. If you want the rush version of our manicure with shellac, that's $32.
Okay.
The deluxe version is $42. The deluxe spa pedicure is $50, but the rush version of the pedicure with shellac is only $40. So it really depends on how long you want to stay here and how much pampering you really need, because you can get a very quick version done in 25-30 minutes as long as you're not getting French, and be out the door and on your way and not have to worry about your nails for at least 2 to 3 more weeks.
That's awesome because it dries so fast. I think that's so amazing how it dries so fast.
Well, it dries so fast and it's so durable. A lot of people have been using it to promote nail growth, trying to get their nail to grow past the tip of the fingertip. Once it grows at least to the edge of the fingertip, we're able to seal the shellac around the tip of the nail, and that allows the nail to be much more durable and to grow longer than most people have been able to grow their nails in a while. So
So what else is on sale here?
Well, you'll be happy to know that Obagi is on sale.
Yay.
November and December, everything Obagi is 15% off.
Okay.
So you can get your daughter the Cleansiderm system. You can stock up on your CRX. It's time to stock up on Obagi.
Yes.
But for a quick reminder of what all the Obagi lines are, we can go talk to our estheticians, Rachel and Christy, and get the scoop. I'm here with our estheticians, Rachel Bland and Christy Tanner. They pretty much run this place when I'm not here, and they do all of our Obagi consultations, most of our skincare consultations. So if you come in for a skincare consult, you're probably going to see one of them, and that's a good thing because they know exactly what they're talking about. Now, we carry the Obagi skincare products here, and those are only dispensed by physicians. They have a lot of prescription grade and strength products in them, and that's why that they're prescription only. But these girls are the experts at Obagi. They've gone through special training from Obagi, and they know all about the ingredients and how they work and what items are going to help you accomplish what you want to accomplish with your skin. So the first system we'll talk about is the NuDerm system, because it's the basic bread and butter system of Obagi. It was the first system that ever was created by Dr. Obagi. It's the traditional system for anti-aging and fading dark spots. It comes with a glycolic cleanser, and it has several steps for fading dark spots as well as protecting your skin. And then it completes itself with an SPF, as most of the lines from Obagi do. Who do you use this system for, Christy?
A lot of my clients who has a dry and coarse, thick skin, mature skin ladies come and they never used any type of skincare. This is perfect for correcting their skin. And I told them they have to use about a year to correct the skin quality. Then they can move up to the CRX system for maintenance system. So I tried to sell this, but a lot of clients are confused about so many different numbers, but once they use about a week, it will accustom to it, it will be easy to use it. But this is the best for mature skin, aging skin, coarse skin, dry skin, anything.
Well, that's true. This system was meant for the older client, the client that already had a lot of sun damage, that has a lot of things that they want to correct, like dark spots and unevenness in tone, enlarged pores, texture abnormalities. So you're right, there are a lot of steps, but there are a lot of different things that are being targeted by this system. And it comes with an instruction booklet that tells you what steps to use in the morning and which steps to use at night, and that really clears it up for most people.
That is correct.
When you start a system like this, you're probably going to have a couple of months of flaking and peeling. You're going to be losing a lot of excess dead skin from your face, and a lot of people are discouraged by that. But that period passes, your skin is transformed, and it turns out to be quite worth it. Well, I trust you, Christy. I mean, just looking at your face makes me want to have your skin. Christy's 55. We tell everybody that because we're all astounded that she could be 55 and look 30. But Rachel here is only 21, and she's more of a candidate for the CRX system. The CRX system over here on the middle shelf is kind of an easier version of the NuDerm system. It has most of the ingredients that the NuDerm system has, but delivered in a different way and with a different purpose. It's more of a preventative step than the correctional kit that the NuDerm is. So I would suspect that normally you start your younger patients on the CRX.
I do, especially patients that have sensitive dry skin. And this is ideal for them because it does not involve retin A, but it still has the hydroquinone, the L-ascorbic acid, and all the vitamin C to kind of prevent those antioxidants, or the antioxidants providing the free radicals from causing all this damage. So for people who really need to jumpstart their skincare routine, but say you're in your late 20s or late 30s and you're hesitant to jump into a system such as NuDerm, this is ideal. And you'll love how it provides such a soft texture for your skin because of all the moisturizing ingredients in it. It's a really good quality product.
It is.
Another thing, the step is a short 1, 2, 3. That's all matters. I mean,
No, that's true. It is a lot quicker. You don't have to invest as much time in the morning and evening into the CRX system. This is the one that Babs is on. And I personally have a little bit of sensitive skin and a mild form of rosacea, the reddening of the cheeks. And I use the Obagi Rosaclear system for my skin. It has some antioxidant formulations that decrease inflammation as well. The complexion corrector is my favorite item in there, and it basically takes all the redness out of my skin from the night before. So if I apply it in the evening, I wake up the next morning with nice even cheek tone instead of the redness that I was used to having. So that's a nice sensitive skin system from Obagi. You don't have to go all the way to the wall and irritate sensitive skin. You can find very mild stuff here. And there are treatment lines as well, because a lot of people have struggled with acne all their lives, and then a lot of women develop it in midlife. So Obagi also has the Cleansiderm system for acne-prone patients. You use that system, don't you?
I do. I love Cleansiderm. It has cured me of any and all acne that I've ever had in my life. You would never think that I struggled with cystic acne for 5 years, looking at my face now. The key ingredients in all of it is typical in most acne lines because it's got the salicylic acid and the benzoyl peroxide. But the benzoyl is 5%, and each step is designed to keep your skin pH balanced, and that's in all the lines, which is wonderful. So it's not over drying to acne clients. It's still actually soothing, and it's going to help get rid of the bacteria that's causing it, the source of the problem. So they have one for normal to dry and one for normal to oily, and they're actually currently redesigning the normal to oily kit, so it's even a little bit more soothing than it was to begin with. It's really exciting.
It's a great line. I personally have never seen an acne line that works as well as Cleansiderm, and that's pretty much why we carry it. Exactly. There's nothing else better out there that I've seen.
Well, thank you, Rachel and Christy. Christy looks amazing.
Yeah.
And thank you, Kelly, for the nails. They look really awesome.
Mm-hmm. They do a great job.
Yes, they do. And you know what? I cannot wait for my daughter to get this. I'm going to get the Cleansiderm for Christmas. Don't tell anybody. And the Clarisonic. So this is great. I'm so excited.
She's going to love it. So we'll remind you of all of our specials. Obagi is all 15% off during November and December, and the Clarisonics are $175. We have the Thermage introductory pricing, all 15% off every Thermage procedure. We also have the new shellac starting as low as $25, and the brand new Xeomin botulinum toxin, brand new here at Plush and anywhere in Dothan. It's going to run you about half the price of Botox, and you'll get a $50 gift card. And then remember that Dysport is also in their rebate period, and you'll get $50 back for any size treatment through the end of December.
Well, this is a great place to start your holidays and your holiday shopping. And we would like to say thank you for tuning in to our episode of Plush Tonight. And please stay tuned to our next episode. And have a safe and happy holidays. Bye.
Bye.
This has been Plush Tonight with Dr. Amanda Bell. Thanks for watching.